Are you new to fitness and don't know where to start? Welcome to a world where every step, every lift, and every breath is a move towards a healthier, stronger you. Today, we are diving into the basics of full-body workouts, perfect for beginners like you. A full-body workout is like a symphony of exercises that put your whole body in tune. It targets various muscle groups, from your head to your toes, ensuring a balanced workout. And for beginners, it's a fantastic way to get acquainted with the world of fitness. It's like a grand tour, introducing you to the different exercises and how they affect your body. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding of key exercises, their benefits, and how to do them correctly. Also, you'll be equipped with a simple yet effective workout routine that you can incorporate into your lifestyle. Prepare to be excited and motivated as you begin your fitness journey. Welcome to Mr.SmileTV, your hub of vitality. Dive into the world of fitness and health, where every stride, lift, and stretch brings you closer to your best self. Discover the power of well-being and unlock your true potential. Breathe in inspiration, exhale transformation. Don't just watch, be a part of it. Subscribe and join us on this journey to a healthier, stronger you. Remember, every day is a chance to be better. Mr.SmileTV, where fitness meets fun. Before we delve into the main workout, warming up is vital. Warming up isn't just a casual prelude to your workout, it's a crucial part of it, preparing your body for the physical exertion ahead. It increases your heart rate, loosens up your muscles and joints, and gets your blood flowing, reducing the risk of injuries and improving your performance. Now let's start with a simple yet effective warm-up exercise, jogging in place. This exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and warming up your whole body. Just stand upright, lift your knees high, and start jogging without moving forward. Next, we'll move on to arm circles. This exercise targets your shoulders, arms, and upper back. Stand straight, extend your arms out to your sides and make circular motions with them, first in a forward direction, then in reverse. Now that your body is warmed up, let's move on to the main workouts. Firstly, we focus on the lower body, starting with squats. Squats are the quintessential lower body exercise, and they are fantastic for building strength in your legs and your core. So how do you do a proper squat? Well, let's break it down. Begin by standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Pretend you're about to sit back into a chair, pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward. Go as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground. If you're just starting out, don't worry if you can't go very low. What's important is maintaining proper form. Then, drive through your heels to stand back up, straightening your legs and squeezing your glutes at the top. That's one squat. Now, let's move on to lunges. Lunges are another excellent exercise for the lower body, targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To do a lunge, start by standing upright. Then, step forward with one foot until your leg reaches a 90-degree angle. Your rear knee should remain parallel to the ground and your front knee should not go past your toes. Keep your core engaged and your hips square. Push back up to your starting position, and that's one lunge. Remember, it's not about speed, but about maintaining control and proper form. These exercises may seem simple, but when done correctly, they can be incredibly effective at building strength and improving overall fitness. It's also important to note that everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body and modify these exercises as needed. If you're feeling any pain or discomfort, it's okay to take a break. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. Great job on the lower body workout. Now let's shift our focus to the upper body. Upper body strength is essential, and push-ups are a great start. Let's dive into our first upper body exercise, the push-up. This classic move is all about form. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your feet hip-width apart and balance on your toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Remember to breathe in as you lower down and breathe out as you push up. Push-ups are fantastic for strengthening your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Not to mention they're a great way to build core stability. Now let's transition to tricep dips. Find a bench or a sturdy chair. Sit on the edge and place your hands next to your hips. Slide your buttocks off the edge and extend your legs out in front of you. Now lower your body towards the floor until your arms form a 90-degree angle, then push back up until your arms are fully extended. Tricep dips are a convenient and effective way to target your triceps, shoulders, and chest. Plus, they're excellent for improving your upper body strength. And they require no equipment, making them easy to incorporate into any workout routine. Remember, the key to these exercises is control and form, not speed. It's better to do 5 good form push-ups or dips than 20 rushed ones. Also, listen to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort, take a break and adjust your form. And most importantly, keep a positive mindset. Progress may be slow, but it's still progress. You've done well on the upper body workout. Next, we will focus on the core, so stay tuned and get ready for more. A strong core is the foundation of a fit body. Let's start with planks. Planks, though simple in concept, can be a powerhouse of a workout. To begin, position yourself as if you're about to do a push-up, but instead of resting on your hands, rest on your forearms, with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged like you're bracing for a punch in the stomach. Now hold this position. It may not seem like much, but you're actually working a variety of muscles here. Your abs, your back, even your glutes are getting a workout. The key is to keep your body as straight and stable as possible. No sagging or lifting your hips. Try to hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you get stronger, you can increase the duration. Next, let's move on to sit-ups. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, but don't use them to pull yourself up. That can strain your neck. Instead, let your abs do the work. As you lift your torso toward your knees, exhale. Lower yourself back down while inhaling. This movement targets the abdominal muscles, helping to strengthen and tone them. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, and remember, it's not about speed. Quality is far more important than quantity. Take your time to ensure you're using correct form. Sit-ups are an excellent way to build core strength, but they also aid in improving your balance and stability. A strong core can help improve your overall fitness, making other workouts more effective and reducing the risk of injury. So there you have it. 2 simple yet effective exercises for a stronger core. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine. Fantastic work on the core workout. Let's wrap it all up. Now that we've worked all major muscle groups, it's time to cool down. Cooling down, much like warming up, is an integral part of any workout routine. It helps gradually bring your heart rate and breathing back to normal, and aids in recovery by reducing the buildup of lactic acid, which can lead to muscle stiffness and soreness. So let's ease our way into a gentle cool down. Start with some simple stretches. Stretching not only helps to increase your flexibility, but also promotes relaxation and stress relief. Feel how each stretch releases the tension from your muscles. You've done a great job today, and your body deserves this moment of rest and restoration. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered in this full body workout. We began with a warm-up, preparing your body and mind for the workout ahead. We then moved on to the lower body exercises, targeting your major leg muscles, the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Next, we switched to upper body exercises. These movements were designed to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and back. Following this, we focused on the core, working on your abdominal muscles to improve stability and posture. Each of these exercises was chosen not just for their muscle-building benefits, but also to enhance your overall body strength and coordination. Remember, fitness is not about perfection, but progress. Each time you perform these exercises, you're taking a step towards a stronger, healthier version of yourself. It's okay if you struggle initially, or can't perform the exercises perfectly. What matters is that you're moving, and with each workout, you're improving. To see the best results, consistency is indeed the key. Make these exercises a part of your regular routine. You might not notice a change overnight, but over time you'll definitely see progress. Keep track of your progress, celebrate your small victories, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. Keep practicing these exercises and you'll see progress in no time. Hey there, you've made it to the end of another thrilling video. Your support means we can continue providing top-notch content. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your VIP pass to all our latest videos. But wait, there's more. To never miss a beat, give that notification bell a friendly tap. Yes, that little icon right there. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new content. Remember, your participation fuels our motivation, so subscribe, ring that bell, and join our community of enthusiasts. We're excited to have you on board. See you in the next video.